Hello everyone, Kim Manis here. Today I'm going to talk about how I did the rear suspension preload adjustment on Kawasaki Vulcan 900. We can take the seat off, open the toolbox. There is the toolkit. This motorcycle comes with 2 hook wrenches. We're going to be using this one. We will also use the extension bar and another hook wrench as an extension bar as well, to make it easier to turn the adjuster. In order to remove the side cover, you need to remove the screw here at the top. Remove the side cover. I think we need to remove the reservoir tank. For that, we remove this bolt. Unscrew these 2 bolts. I use the hook wrench that comes with the motorcycle to turn the preload adjuster. Adjust the preload as you desire. What I'd recommend is to try on different positions and see how it works for you. The standard adjusting sleeve is 4th position from the weakest position. When you are done with the adjustment, you can assemble everything back in the reverse order. Since I removed the reservoir tank, I decided to replace the coolant in the reservoir tank. You can skip this step. Screw back these 2 bolts using Allen key 5mm. The reservoir tank cover and screw. Putting the screw here at the top back. putting the seat back. Thank you for watching.